Okay, we've got our head we want to start gluing together. We've drawn it out and cut all the pieces out. We have 3 pieces here. This is our center. So we'll glue those, get glued together. Then the next piece will be this outside piece with the neck to it. And then the last one is these very outside pieces. So all this will get glued together for our head. And then these pieces here is because I want to make the cheeks bigger. So those will get glued on last. So we always start in the center and we work our way out. And I cut the pieces out, then I went and sanded the edges down to get all the shavings off of it from cutting it out. So we're going to start with our center, and I just glued 2 pieces at a time, because if you try to glue too many pieces then it's really going to slip and slide on you, and I don't want that, so I just do 2 at a time. I let it set up, then I'll add another piece, let that set up, and just keep adding a piece as I go along. So we'll start with this one. You'll make sure you get the glue spread out evenly on here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. We just make sure you spread this out through your entire piece so you get a good seed on it. While I'm doing this, I'll let it set up for a couple hours so it won't slide when I put the next piece on. And once I get it all glued together, then I'll let it go for a day or 2 just to make sure I get a good bonding to it. What you want to do is you draw out what you want to make, draw it out on a piece of paper or a piece of cardboard and cut it out, and use that as your pattern. And now, since I'm always working on more than one at a time, I always put some kind of a code on there so I know what piece I'm working on. Do is you put your first clamp on and just make it a little snug so you can still move it. And then I just keep adding a piece. Make sure it's where I want it. Snug it down a little bit, because it's going to slip and slide on you a little bit in the beginning until you get it where you want it. Then you can tighten it down. Once you get it set where you want it, then you can tighten them down a little more. You just take your time putting this together so it doesn't get too big of gaps on where you want it. And we'll get enough clamps on that, then we'll let it set up, and then we can add the next piece. Thanks for watching.